I'm Helga from Helga's Pennsylvania Cooking, and today we're going to do an easy appetizer type thing, and that is a cheese ball. This is a onion, herb, veggie cheese ball, bacon, ranch, yummy, all the good stuff in it. So this is easy to come together, and it's always a hit. You can serve it with veggies, with crackers, like Ritz crackers. But it's an easy thing to do, and it's an easy thing to make ahead and take. This is also good for the upcoming game days, for the Super Bowl and stuff. Always a crowd pleaser. So let's get to it. So the ingredients are grated cheddar cheese, bacon, Philly cream cheese, a little sour cream, minced onion, pepper, salt, ranch seasoning, or I have the herb and onion pampered chef dip mix that I'm using. Let's see here. Oh, some diced pepper and chopped pecans and garlic powder. So we're going to combine the main components here first. You want the Philly cream cheese to be room temp so it mixes up nice. My seasoning, my pampered chef seasoning, like I said, Hidden Valley Ranch works as well, or any other herb seasoning you want. And you don't have to use sour cream, but the sour cream gives it some creaminess and a nice tang that you wouldn't get otherwise. And then we're going to get these mixed. And that's nice and creamy. Now I'm going to add in half of the bacon, and I'm just going to crumble this up. Half of my pepper. You can use green onion for this too, but I like the pepper and I like the color. And half of my cheese. And then we're going to mix these well. So that's mixed up well, and I'm going to put this all together here, and on some saran wrap, we're going to turn this out onto the saran wrap, form it into a ball, and chill it. The rest of the pepper and the cheese and then the chopped pecans are going to go into the what it's rolled into once it's chilled and cooled. Now I cheat to do this. I take a bowl and I put saran over and into it, and then I will scoop the mixture into that, and then I already have it helping me form my ball. Just makes things easier and convenient. And then you just take the sides up like this. And twist it off, and you have your ball already made. Here we go. Working with different camera angles here. So now you just put it in the fridge, let it chill for several hours till it gets firm, and then we'll roll it in its outside coating. In this bowl, I'm going to add in the remaining shredded cheddar cheese and my pepper, and I'm going to stir this together, and we'll chill this while our cheese bowl is also chilling so that this is incorporated. And the rest of the bacon. The pecans, The pecans will go last when we get ready to roll this. And we'll just put that in the fridge and let that chill. So my cheese ball chilled overnight. So did my outside coating with cheese and bacon and pepper. And I'm going to add my crushed pecans in onto a parchment lined baking sheet. And just hand mix this in and spread it out. It'll just make it easier to roll our cheese ball in and get it coated. Okay, looks pretty even. There it goes. And now you just do the rolling thing. Get it all coated. Nice and round. And there you go. She's all coated and our cheese ball's ready to go. You know what comes next. So, here's what it looks like in the end. Came out pretty cute. But it's all about the taste, so let's see how we did. There it is. There, you can see it. Okay. You know, it can't be bad. It has bacon, has veggies, onion and pepper and pecans and cheese. It can't be bad. It came out really good. This was simple. Like I said, it takes some time to set up. You want to get it chilled. But it's a nice thing to make ahead and take to parties. And with the holidays, New Year's, Super Bowl party, it's really versatile. You can do this up with any kind of like dip mix. I used Pampered Chef's onion and herb, but you can use ranch, you can use garlic, you can use any kind you want to make your own cheese balls, whatever flavor you like them. You can make them spicier by adding hot sauce or a little bit more savory. But point is, you can play with different seasonings and with different flavorings and sauces to make them your own. I've done dessert ones already, like the key lime cheese ball, which is fantastic, especially after something like barbecue, where you want something to, with that acid, to counteract all that sweet and heavy. So there it is, my veggie bacon ranch onion cheese ball. I'll give it some kind of name, but it's pretty good. Give it a shot.